Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open the car hood of your Audi RS4 and of course how to close it again on this beautiful automotive. We are open the door of the driver's side and then we are looking near the pedals on the left side. There is a lever. This lever we have to pull. After we hear a clicking sound, it is unlocked. The car is not the car only, but also the hood is unlocked so far. Now we go to the front side of the car and we see at the branding underneath it, we can see there is a lever. This lever we have to rotate to the left side and then we can open the hood itself, as you can see. Now you can see here is the lever of it. This lever you have to navigate a little bit to the left side and then it will unlocks completely and it will gives you a view of this TFSI engine V6 of this nice car. To close the car hood, we let it drop into the lock for approximately 20 centimeters and then job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.